Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to see about Civics Unit 2 Citizen and Citizenships. First introductions. Civics is the study of government. The word citizen is derived from the Latin word civics, which means resident of a city-state of ancient Rome. The citizen of a state enjoy full civil and political rights. Next one you see citizen and citizenship. First one, citizen. What is meant by citizen? Citizen is a person of a country who is entitled to enjoy all the legal rights and privileges granted by a state and is obligated to obey its law and to fulfill his duties. Citizenship. What is meant by citizenship? Citizenship is the status given to the citizen which provide them the rights to legally live in a country as long as they want. Types of citizens. There are two types of citizens. First one, natural citizens, and second one, naturalized citizens. Natural citizens means the citizens by birth. Naturalized citizens means the one who acquired citizenship. Next one you see acquisition of citizenship. The Citizenship Act of 1955 prescribes 5 ways of acquiring citizenship: by birth, by descent, by registration, by naturalization, by incorporation of territory. First one, by birth. A person born in India on or after 1st July 1987 is considered as a citizen of India only if either of his parents is a citizen of India at the time of his birth. And second point, a person born in India on or after 26 January 1950 but before 1st July 1987 is a citizen of India by birth irrespective of nationality of his parents. Next one, by descent. A person born outside on or after 26 January 1950 but before 10th December 1992 is a citizen of India by descent if his father was a citizen of India at the time of his birth. A person born outside India on or after 10th December in 1992 is considered as a citizen of India if either or his parents is a citizen of India at the time of his birth. By registration. A person of Indian origin who is only resident in any country or place outside undivided India. A person who is married to a citizen of India and is only resident in India for 7 years before making an application for registration. Next one, by naturalization. A citizen of any country renounces the citizenship of that country. He has either resided in India or been in the service of a government in India or throughout the period of 12 months. By incorporation of territory. If any foreign territory becomes a part of India, the government of India specifies the person who among the people of the territory shall be citizens of India. Example, when Pondicherry became a part of India, the government of India issued the citizenship order in 1962. Next one you see laws of Indian citizenship. First one, renunciation. Second one, termination. Third one, deprivations. And then single citizenship. Our Indian constitution provides for only single citizenship, that is the Indian citizenship. But federal states like USA and Switzerland has dual citizenship. Next one, rights and duties of citizens. Fundamental rights. Right to vote in the elections to the Lok Sabha and the state legislature, right to hold certain public offices, right to become the member of parliament and state legislature. And the next one, qualities of a good citizens: loyalty to the constitution, obey laws, respecting diversity, quality of goodness and justice, and contributes to society and Next one you see, global citizenship. All people have rights and civics responsibility. It is fundamental in enabling young people to access and participate in shaping modern society.